Welcome back to another episode of Howell Farms. Today, we're going to tell the story of Mr. Spike here. Better hold on. Good grief. I know what it is. They must be camera shy. Oh my God. Camera shy. There's a deer. There's a deer. There's a deer. It's coming in from this way. See it? It's straight out that way. I'm trying not to move. Oh, I saw that one. You see it? That's little. It's little, it ain't you, okay? Huh? Do you think it's little? No, I think it's big enough to shoot. Where'd it go? It's coming. Just wait. It's gonna come out. It's gonna come out down there at the bottom. It's at the bottom, see it? Yeah. It's a spike. Do you want me to shoot it? Yeah, if you want to. God, dog, it scared me to death. His tail went up. He's in the ditch. He did. I think he's legal. Well, he had 2 horns on it. That's why I said you want me to shoot it, because that ditch is right there. You scared me to death. Sorry. Shh, all right, let's sit.
ain't going nowhere now.
Yeah, he's in the ditch.
Whew, thank you, Jesus. In my scope, he looked pretty decent. I thought he was.
Okay, shh. Because if another one comes out, I get it.
Yeah. I thought he was gonna take off, to be honest. Oh my gosh. It's smoke, because probably because of that.
You scared me to death. I was like,
That was long overdue.
well, here's my whole theory behind that. How many times are you gonna go hunting this year?
Probably this
If you can shoot one antler deer a year, so here's your chance. Just wear it out. That's why I was like, if you want to shoot it, go for it.
Well, yours like a spike. I'm like, it's a spike. What do you want me to do?
Well, and I'm like,
I mean, his spike, they're probably,
my thought is behind it. You're not gonna get to go hunting much. There's a deer in front of you. If you want to shoot it, shoot it.
I thought he was about to pull.
Terrible camera size. Terrible camera shot.
Oh, well. I know he jumped.
It jumped straight into the creek. Oh, dang.
But you didn't hear it try to get out or anything, so.
No, you got it. He's in the ditch.
What I was trying not to do.
Let's go find your deer.
Woohoo. The grass came up a little
That
bit.
grass didn't grow hardly at all.
It's like it's just in some spots.
I wonder if it's too deep.
Oh, it was. Just water. What is that?
It doesn't look like any hogs have been in here yet. We should make that video. Do a TikTok with a whee. Like the deer jumps off in the creek.
Yeah.
All right. He was standing what, right here?
Yeah. Where's he at?
I know you hit him. Unless you missed.
Where was he standing? It was like right here, wasn't it? That tail was up.
But did you miss him?
Where'd he go? Because I didn't see him.
I ain't see no blood.
Maybe we're in the wrong spot? Was he over here? I don't want him to like jump up and say yes. I thought he was standing like right here. Are you kidding me?
No, he was standing right here. Like right here. When you shot him. I don't see no blood.
He would... Hold on, I have to look from up here. Yeah, he was like right there. Maybe he started running through the creek. He might have didn't bleed out like that one I shot a few years ago.
He jumped right down here.
I'm gonna walk the creek this way. Seriously. I mean, the Lord's moment that deer jumped. Where he went after that? I don't know.
He'd come right up right here. Because you can't see it from here, from the shooting house. Must have missed.
That stinks.
I'm gonna walk up this way. He's up here.
He is? I got him. He didn't bleed out, which is crazy. I've had a deer like that. What was that? What? Sorry, anyway, I heard something. And anyway, I hadn't had a deer bleed out like that since I killed my buck. And thank goodness that buck only went like maybe 10 yards and he still hadn't bled out. And but yeah, there's like no blood. But he found them.
Where's the easy place to get him out? Right there?
Probably. It's more. That's one way of doing it. Be careful, please. You got it?
Come stand right here. Clip it on that tree. Right there.
I'm gonna get brighter, maybe. You good?
All right, readjust.
Hold on. Get out of the way, dude.
Come grab your leg.
Here. It's hard for me to bend over. I can't.
I'm sweating. I'm just glad I walked over that ridge.
Me too.
Ain't a drop of blood nowhere.
Yeah, I know. How crazy is
Not
that?
even where he's laying at.
That's the second deer I've done that to. It didn't even come out, did it?
I don't know.
If it did.
Where'd you shoot him? It's probably in his neck right there.
On this side, but right here. It's probably it.
There it is right there.
Ain't that something?
It's right there.
Oh, he bleeding now. So about 8:20, Nate looked up. He seen the deer coming from that way, and so I look up. I see him. At first, he kind of looked tiny, so I was like, I don't know if I'm gonna be able to shoot him. And then he got about right here actually, and the only shot I had was right here, and he was kind of going a little fast, and so I pulled up on him. And at first, my husband said I can kill no spike. So if you hear me earlier saying, asking if I could kill a spike, and he said go ahead. So I pulled up on him and shot him, and he jumped and thought he just fell in the creek, and that was it. And then we get down here, there's no blood. I'm walking that way. He went across the creek, and he just walked a little bit, and he said he didn't see anything, so kind of got disappointed that I missed. And then he walked a little further that way and found him, and still no blood. So I'm kind of excited. Opening day, and I rarely get to go hunting anymore because of our 2 kids, and you know, somebody has to stay and take care of them. But I'm excited. 7mm 08 did not disappoint as always. So yeah, we had an awesome day. All right, beach body.
All right, ready. We're gonna do it 1, 2, 3. Ready? 1, 2, 3.
Yes. I think that.
I gotta back up.
All right. How y'all?
Doing good about yourself?
Good. All right. What can I do y'all for?
Let's see.
What's your name?
Nate Howell.
Nate?
Yep. Howell.
All right. What you want out of it?
See, get 15 pounds of bacon burger,
Okay.
and the rest of it just regular burger,
All right.
and that'll be it.
That's easy enough there.
Yeah.
Okay.
I just put it in that bag, try to keep from getting dirty.
Yeah, we appreciate that. I can promise you. Because it makes it miserable when they come in here and ask.
Oh yeah, I just try to do my best to help y'all out.
It'll make you especially miserable.
It's probably gonna drop blood everywhere, so.
Don't let it drop it on you, girl.
All right, there you guys have it. You seen me kill Mr. Spike and clean it, drop it off. Until next time, we'll see you in the woods.